Bauchi State. Maidawa, you're welcome to this program. Thank you, bro. Please introduce yourself. Who have here tonight.
I go by the name Maidawa, aka my Mugu, aka my Goranganja,
Maidawa, yeah, chicken. Yeah, Jin nice. Yes. This is a very important person. Maidawa, please, we just want you to give us a very fast wordplay, please.
Oh, a very fast one.
Yes.
Nema Vanganeva, Yenagaje, Nema Vanganeva. This one is okay for me.
Yeah. Okay, that's very nice. So how far have you been tackling with the responsibility of sponsoring this kind of event?
It's not easy, bro. But yeah, you know.
Wow, that's nice. Maidawa, everybody. Yes, I have a fast one for you. Please rate your trip in the scale of 1 to 10. Rate your trip.
My trip.
Yes.
$1 million, you know.
He's a very funny person. Of course, it's nice to have you here tonight. Thank you very, very much.
Just the moving ahead right now. You need to build yourself right now. Mentally, physically now. Emotionally, spiritually. Snacks is abolition. Drinking it, sipping it, feeling it for your health. Snacks is abolition.